enti eja anya besi for me won say me followers no twen me say Penyah oh ya te say media na so Sam George episode bill be eba bill ni atudi ni cyber crime bill bill no Penyah betre mi enti ase ebi mo keka na won say mu ohu Penyah ede na koso monya abotre maba we dwan say amwache Sam George any cyber crime no agwa we oga say Ghana ene dia wo we mo nchire bu no akere wadwe ama me e comment section aha Penyah block media me so say ni die mo over like video no that one subscribe button na back the notification icon for latest updates am chere wadwe na ma me e comment section me so ba so no share for so anya bi ahye enti ma me ka wasem bi se wo kai Nepal president na adwen say oba instigate culture of silence on social media just say oba find ways and means obetimi regulate social media oba track just say o pass comment bi na enye ono no da oba carry on any other no go for that kind of dangerous protest about Nepal Emma omu court high court omu share no supreme court omu share no parliament house omu share say omu hotel like signal omu share no ebi mo kire say enu ebi ana Sam George any this government ebe so me and Ghana hanom no that culture of silence here kire say Nepal president and as obey instigate wo honoma amwa youth na antias no omu protest against that yes so disastrous protest no come say ebi ana Sam George ebe so odeba Ghana hanom Manfa kwa che abeke ya 2023 ni mo ana MPP ne kufa government say o be pass cyber crime amendment bill bi bill no je say u redeem no na ade be ne say so mu pass that bill na nipa ba ko ebenya tumi accident tumi no aside president or na wo ho no mo be odi nipa ba ko o tumi say one o ye CID adwuma o tin bo wura fi be search boss search said on one pe two o tumi say obey arrested ohian warrant efro bia honum ono nko ofiri say wudi se hunu ne da obetuma ba ofi abechew 3 owo tumi say ojeri owo tumi say opresecute ono abedi wasem asa jeri nipa ba ko ewo tumi we nyina oye sia de adwuma oye police adwuma oye judge adwuma je say oye bibia nipa ba ko ema that bill no pop up on the internet no Sam George ye ebe ya hu de say there be sa be kufa person or the body there emo o man etie nyai.
The justification of fighting cybercrime is flawed. You already have the infrastructure today that is fighting cybercrime. You have a national cybersecurity advisor at the ministry. There's a national cybersecurity center. There's a joint interministerial working group on fighting on cybercrime that has the Minister for National Security, has the Minister for Communications, has the Minister for Justice and Attorney General, has the Minister for Interior. There are about 7 ministers on it. And the structures exist. If you are setting up an authority, that is just a bureaucracy. The bureaucracy is going to be responsible for policy, regulation, and frameworks. That authority is not going to be responsible for the fight against cybercrime. The fight against cybercrime across the world has never been done by governments. It is always done by private sector agencies. What you will see is that government is going to say that, okay, for
Emma Ghana 40 I say a good father as government and as a president, listening president, our door minor or the bill no to baby. Wa musubi Emma ototwene ye. Ete kodaye. Na onum enema miensa dey this government eba aban da bia meka enema miensa anything the NDC abanwi eba ye eye culture of insult yenya politics eni atem ebo a wo mu pa disinformation anafe misinformation enema miensa wi ene the NDC eba aban mu but onya akonwa no as of 6 February ana Sam George as communication minister ebe kan se ro tire mu say now no omo e pass bill bi as communication minister or be possible bill no it will go against misinformation and disinformation. Are they benefiting womu ebomba abemo so mba ene de omu ye nipa.
Your Excellency, the CSA in the last 9 months of your administration has collaborated in an unprecedented manner with the Criminal Investigation Department of the Ghana Police Service to combat cybercrime syndicates. This has led to the arrest and detention of several suspects numbering in the hundreds this year alone. To ensure swift prosecution, we're working closely with the Office of the Attorney General and the Ministry of Justice to establish a specialized court to handle cybercrime issues. We express our gratitude to the Director General CID for the enhanced collaboration we have enjoyed with her outfit. Furthermore, measures are being implemented to establish sustainable financing mechanisms for cybersecurity. We're committed to establishing the Cybersecurity Fund pursuant to Section 60 across all sectors. Ladies and gentlemen, according to a study by IBM, human error is the primary cause of 95% of cybersecurity breaches. That is, unintentional actions and inactions by employees and users can cause, spread, or facilitate security breaches. As the saying goes, you are only as secure as your weakest link. Thus, if we are to create the digitally resilient Ghana we envision, every citizen must be empowered with the proper knowledge, tools, and habits to stay safe online. We cannot leave anyone behind. Every actor in cyberspace, from citizens on their personal phones to officials working on corporate laptops and networks, have a duty to practice cyber hygiene and uphold ethical practices to protect the integrity of our digital ecosystem. Citizens must verify information before sharing. They must report suspicious content and respect online privacy. Corporate bodies, civil society organizations, and the media must lead the charge in creating awareness on cybersecurity until it reaches every corner of our country.
Omune de omu ye nipa eti omu makwan ema obi enye saade ne bi emfantia wo mu omu makwan na yadidi mu a busia na nsia mu yanka mi hye mu ewe Sam George de bi obi ene na media no so eze ko sense cyber crime amendment bill na was a bill no ensem a ewo mu no eni so pay yi na to make everything short no minimum be omu ya bloggers edin kan afa bill no atretre mu to your better understanding. In fact, my home video no say almost explanation no toss mu it me for video back every gossip 24 na my for video back every ko share this studio na kan bomu na wanya entiase for the cyber crime amendment bill no yenko ne ko video na emra
na cyber security authority no our funds, right? In the old act no more funds of the authority available say ebema cyber security authority so they scale on to be they are running or more operations near there. Oh yeah, as we agency biana and was say to me a provision for funds into your honor plan here say sikano parliament be approving no about one source of funding for authority no and answer for agency no almost as you can say administrative penalties say bia obu ohonomo na mama no ho kwan say onye adwuma or cyber security terrain mu na say bia obu mra so we follow standards and na say procedure be omode beto on ma ometumi a charge no penalty ohonomo betua what obi on mo operate without license penalty ohonomo betua any other internally generated funds say bia loans grants and na say donations be approved by the minister or responsible for finance and na say bia amount be charge on the fund is subject to the approval of the board. And now say any other man is biana minister or responsible for finance be ebe approve among biana. I don't know musika different. But our new embrani muno. And na bill no make say bill because nya be embra. Our new bill no muno. And no more propose say sources of fund no person mo adjustment. Ampa seed parliament be approve the amount so mo fan running agency no be giatum. Sike bia na obi betua de my agency be o be giatum. Na mom no because honorable sub judge prosecution powers now we charge cyber crime ain't no omo fine ni obi omo prosecute na omo fine ni obi a eni pa no criminal proceeds no omo as an authority no ebefe mu 50%. Criminal penalties no omo as an authority ebefe 50%. It is 50% weight no and cyber crime authority any be on the pen of 50%. Grants negative to donation, the Omeko Swaji. Name of communication service tax, I edge you on my way. Omo pay mu 12%, omo pay mu 12%. Embre agency no. And also authority no. Omo pay mu 12% in Bromo. Oma can the trust I can say na charges beer be determined. See, I almost specify some 12% of communications service tax. I edge you on my way. Almost also pay 9% corporate tax per annum. Ye famo corporate tax e be no. Ye famu 9% ye famo. Miscellaneous the aka ho de mana ka ho de da. Ni mo person we do we shape. Say first no na AC gene. First na bra no AC gene. ne wo si ada mo tremu A B C D E F G H I J and omoje nto mo di bia ba be ship 50% of sikebi ombenye bia from criminal we now ombenye no prosecutions no sikebi ombenye film bia 50% enko mo ho 12% communication service tax amagine afibia no mo fe mo 12% fa mo 9% of corporate tax fund afibia mo fa 9% fa mo sa no me ensa we eno mo di aba be shim. Now one thing that the confusion about over this new amendment no section 57. Now section 57 of the old act no, right? Act 1038 no, that's the existing act no, our motion some be amended and some be shemu no. Akasa about accreditation and certification. I say almost cyber security authority no ebe accredit cyber security professionals and practitioners. What say? Almost cyber security authority no ebe establishing mechanisms for certification of cyber security products and technology solutions. Now, listen. These two sections of the act, the existing act 1038 no, are very vague and open. Because US, right? Almost be federal and I say CMMC no confirm person omo go into contract e be aban edwuma bi on person mo koye cyber security service providers bi on person mo ko di aban contract bi no mo ye man e be aban school bi anase bi no person mo ye man na e wo say wo certification no what say and some about me aye say edwuma na di ama aban no. So there is something like that in the US. And then there's also federal no say bia so wo ye cloud service provider na say obetumi aye edwuma on ebia buying critical infrastructure be to say they will be Ghana has seen it was a federal certification no answer now say I cast a cloud that to the layman no one say iPhone e wo hono would me save no matter to iCloud so save no ma na akwa down iCloud so right we save 100 for save no ma na akwa down Google Cloud so it decide no ma cloud che say a new phone so wo baby I bet me download anytime bia wo pay eti enko mo US just almost no episode mo ye adwuma bi e ma aban no ana so mo ye adwuma bi e wa aban mu no omo own mo company na so mo ye cyber security for no omo required so mbenya sa certification no ansa na ometumi aye sa adwuma no bi it's only sa certification as adwuma no with respect to cloud no won't be enye bi unless we federal no enti Ghana has a Cyber Security Act 1038 no, section 758 no, very vague. I just said that any definition there. It's not my for people say honorable some do the amendment amendment we propose no, about defining a few things. Now amendment we propose here no to section 58 no, say on establish mechanism say na makanda na. On establish how one be accredited individuals so individuals be accredited by authority no eti no and as how many honorable some judge mo extend say on be introduce cyber hygiene certification scheme na cyber hygiene certification scheme a programmer on be certify cyber security professionals and practitioners and after cyber security service providers and after so member cyber security service providers be kwai am almost no etumi a perform cyber hygiene certification service e dia ma enkrofo mu fi amananye on person be ye adwuma and Ghana has a infrastructure division so just like senior US for federal and as a CMMC no san honorable Sam George mo propose say cyber hygiene certification scheme omo dey ba na cyber hygiene certification scheme no and omo kasa omo dey flat rate beto hono mo omo meche process abetumi akomu na wa apply for obi an charge mbro the omahye so wow ye be kasa bia we non compliant to esese omede beto wono no omo fine omo mbra mo do be fa so na section 57C omo dey share the old act ni mo no e no mba be kire mu say e wo mo mba review e wo mo am the fees ni bi e be ka ho e wo mo so beti fees ni so for cyber hygiene certification service no na cyber hygiene certification service no omo ka biom say so be a cyber security service provider na say or render cyber hygiene certification service no e di ama obi ai bi o person be ye no Ghana and I say will be an a whole sooner or boats any pana. Fee or honor also charge. Now fee I will be charging no. Or more as an agency no. I will emu 30%. It is a wo we be a company. Na say we are recognized as a cyber security service provider. Baby, I want to know. Or certificate amount no kind says cyber hiding certification program. What to me render? Now we issue certificates in my mouth for. Say cyber security authority in amount sa kwan na. Now we ma out sa license no and as certification on behalf of cyber security authority na. Essence of mama sa kwan ni no. Fee no amount for betua and the amount no. Almost cyber security authority no. Almost GMU 30%. And the ato cyber security fund no. Now for 70% no. It will bet me run it and no as a service. Enti enye say ombebe charge wo individual na we cyber security professional no ombebe charge wo ebi asika wo benya in a year no be 30%. No, unless all right cyber hygiene certification program no as a service and a fee ombeka just charge no obema omumu emu 30%. Sir, and a cyber security authority no eka ewa so say 30% of the revenue generated by a certified cybersecurity professional or cybersecurity practitioner or cybersecurity service provider under the scheme shall be paid into the cybersecurity fund. Sanamrano Ekawahasi. And I think this part of the amendment bill is a good thing. But the major red flag, no, powers of investigation, prosecution, any idea the authority. And no, it started from section 59. Now, so we hear the old act 1038, section 59 now. The old act, you know, about cybersecurity standards, enforcement, and education. And the authority, no, and no one may develop education and skills development, hardware and software engineering, standards for air governance and risk management, standards for research and development, standards for practitioners, or more other relevant areas. Authority no ebe determine or more say na be to me here in accordance with best practices. We na a what the old act no. But Honorable Sam George mo say sa old act no omo de bi ba be ka ho na sa old act de omo de ba be ka ho no section 59B omo chem say authority ni nya sa to me we nkwa the authority ni benya powers to media conduct investigations no ma prosecute cybercrime. The same thing Honorable Sam George ekasati no. And no more say be a cyber security incidents BC and as a cybercrime conduct be ACA authority ni benya ho kwan so be conducting criminal investigations no ma prosecute authority no ebe have the jurisdiction to prosecute all offenses under the Electronic Transactions Act 2008. Now, offenses being and under the Electronic Transactions Act. Electronic Transactions Act, no offenses no starting from a year 107, section 107. Omuchemu stealing, appropriation, representation, charlatanic advertisements, attempt to commit crime, aiding and abetting, duty to prevent felony, forgery, intent, criminal negligence, access to protected computer, obtaining electronic payments medium falsely, electronic trafficking, possession of electronic counterfeits, general offense for fraudulent electronic and fund transfer, general provision for cyber offenses, unauthorized access or interception, unauthorized interference with electronic record, unauthorized access to devices, unauthorized circumvention, denial of service, unlawful access to stored communication, unauthorized access to computer program or electronic record. Into no enka exposes no. A course so and I say course no. I be our one man be the document be ababe to social media so na ye tumi ache ya adwo no. Honorable Sam George, through the Cybercrime Authority, new bill on mode ba no criminalize it say normal way. Now the yehu don't politicize this. The yehu was act we mu no section 59b the yehu no subsection 4. Almost say despite subsection 5, nothing shall prevent the authority from instituting a civil action independently or at the same time as the prosecution to recover monies, proceeds, benefits, properties, and assets purchased by a person with proceeds derived from or in the commission of the said crime. In related to subsection 6, if criminal prosecution fails, civil asset recovery shall still proceed, and confiscation orders shall have the effect of a civil judgment appealable from the High Court to the Court of Appeal. Where the authority considers that freezing of property is necessary to facilitate an investigation or prosecution, the authority shall in writing direct the freezing of property, specified property held by a person or entity other than the entity being investigated or prosecuted. The authority shall, within 14 days after freezing of the property, apply to the court for a confirmation of the freezing. The Honorable Sam George Modia say, "Sir, I suspect say wow video where we are buying sika 50 Ghana cedis. Omo be start I investigate you as a cyber security authority. Honorable Sam George can say any one crisis on yes sir. Name of the shaman mo. Omo start investigate you. No more prosecute you criminally. Omo prosecute you no. Our kwan offer so nya sa 50 cedis no. Our aban ho anasa whatever way no. Omo prosecute no. No more so the wafa civil means so. Civil means no mo do obefa no. Say yemfa ne say asem no ebubo aban no. Na se would bima and prevent you from some may use civil means. And they are there was some with DBA or into the dangers of some way and they say Honorable Sam George mo essay. Some do jina or say or more prosecutiwa. One name be for no or more freeze assets in what I say. Now for some civil court. I same. I will honor no watch man so civil court. Into a bad say criminal court no want to me prove crass ampa. When I will chief this is if you are buying honor. I was civil court no say be a buying and as our company na boka wo hono. Or more about Sam George when no bet man so civil court regardless of the outcome of the criminal court. Obi o lawyer bia bisa na assembly chiro no chiro mu chiro. Obi o lawyer bia bisa na assembly chiro no chiro mu chiro. Almost say if criminal prosecution fails, civil asset recovery should still proceed, and confiscation orders should have the effect of a civil judgment appealable from the High Court to the Court of Appeal. In so panel, they are appeal. Into when I say if persuasion fails, civil will be applied. Now, you know. The other red flag, and they say, what Honorable Sam George not all complaining about in the old act, I can say about, say, in the old act, I Act 1038, Section 18, a man who crying say authority, a Bible appointed inspectors at the authority, 18, no power our president was obey appointed inspector. Ediama authority no. There's an inspector and authority in the Bechanica, authority in the Bechano, any idea, also background in cyber security, any technology near there, also you'll be our integrity. Na sign the panel so oba as an inspector. Oba be ensure said, ombe to be in your orders, ombe to be in your warrants. Na say be a search be or and na say be or no man. Oba or the report be call any idea, oba ensure said data be retained and retrieved. Kese inspector no ebe answerable to the board near there, but now cyber security authority no police powers and as the powers of police. No in the new way no in the new bill no omo dey chem say section 20 omo per se cyber security authority no any powers of police. The powers of police no and ombejina so say almost say the director general, deputy director general, and other authorized officers shall exercise the powers of a police officer, including the power of arrest, search, and seizure, and have the same rights, protections, and immunities conferred on a police officer. And he had first, no, now His Excellency, our president, and I also appointing inspector, Emma authority, no. Now inspector na be report my board no near there. See, I don't the powers of police because of say, or more kasa kwa chia for the same thing na honorable Samdon ekasa tia. And when this is allowed to happen, cyber security authority no, amount force to say, eba better than witch hunting too. Because cyber security authority no, head no, 4 years. Saban sisa na yasisa wo. Saban wo so na ban hwe na se de wo ye no na yasisa wo. Sana cyber security authority. It's some more powers of police now. That means say and you know why you move now nam ho.
It looks like progress, but when you dive deeper into the thing, you realize that the way the amendment has been written, it gives too much power to one authority. And that's where the danger lies. So, first of all, the cybersecurity, the CSA, the Cybersecurity Authority, will have power to investigate, prosecute, and freeze your assets. That means that one body can act as the police, the prosecutor, and the judge's assistant all at once.
I see.
Right? And normally it's the police that will investigate, and then the prosecutors will charge, and then the judges will decide if you are guilty or not.
Yeah.
But then this law blends all that into one authority. Imagine you put something online, or you are running your business, and then they come and then they say that you are under investigation. They can freeze your money right away, and only go to court after 2 weeks.
So they don't need a warrant.
No.
They've been empowered enough to
To do that.
exercise some of these things.
Yes. But then all they need to. So if you read the bill, sometimes all they need is just a 7-day notice.
Okay,
to write
the 7-day notice.
That's all they need, and they can come and then do whatever they want to do, right? So if you are arrested, or if your money is frozen under this bill, and then later you are found innocent, there is no clear path to compensate you. They don't. The law just gives them power to act, but then they don't repair anything.
They destroy, they don't repair.
They don't repair anything.
Okay.
Right. And then what is alarming is also the money involved.
I see.
Because the CSA will be keeping 50% of all fines it collects, plus a cut of communication tax. That's 12% of that, and then 9% of corporate tax. So for people who don't know, the communication tax is just they take it from your airtime, your data bundles, and your call charges. They are going to take 12% of that, and then 9% of corporate taxes. So think about this: the same body that decides who to punish will profit from the punishment.
Okay. Then this will be even a motivational factor to go after people because they will be profiting.
Conflict of interest, a serious one. A serious one. So these are some of the concerns in there, right? And then, like I said, the bill allows them to come and inspect. They'll come for inspections without a court warrant. If you own a business, they can come there and then inspect your things. But then they'll just give you a 7-day written notice that they are coming to check your things. So, for example, you like this, they can come to KSS, and then they'll just come and go through your systems, documents, and even interview your staff. They can come and hold Scanty's neck.
Make
and they say that give us
make you
answers.
divulge information.
He can't do anything. Because he'll either pay a fine or go to jail if he doesn't comply. And that's alarming.
So it's basically them giving them that much power to police whatever we do in this space.
Exactly. right? And all we are begging for is that they review some of these things, because this power in the wrong hands, it won't be a good thing.
Okay.
People can exploit some of these loopholes.
What about the misinformation and the disinformation aspect? Because right now,
This is the whole bill as Sam George. Epes or the Ghana had about. Way any bill as Sam George or the Ghana, how you say, even pass a comment or WhatsApp, they can carry you on. Chiraji Wame, comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.